the $6 trillion market, also known as the financial market, and you are still struggling or how to make money from this market, bro, listen to this video that I'm about to play to you. Listen to it.
Today I will review the Gold Reaper EA, one of the most popular EAs on the MQL5 marketplace. To be honest, I don't trust the MQL5 marketplace that much and I rarely buy EAs from there because anyone can upload anything. But one of our VIP users recommended the vendor Wim, so my team started testing 4 EAs on a demo account and 3 out of the 4 are profitable. But there is something special about the Gold Reaper that grabbed my attention, and that's why I'm putting it on a $5,000 live account with IC Markets. And before I show you all of the tests and results, please double check and make sure you're subscribed. It helps us a lot to build the capital needed to test more and more EAs on demo and live accounts, so you can choose what to trade based on real results, not manipulated track records. So thank you for that. And here is my live account with the IC Markets where I have the Gold Reaper version 4.3, and you can see that there are 9 strategies in this expert advisor. What's interesting is that those are trading with different lots, and this is because of the inputs I selected to use. And actually I'm using the default settings. The only 2 changes I've made was to change the trade frequency. By default it was set to auto, but the vendor recommends moderate or intense, so I stick to moderate at least for the beginning, and then based on the performance I might increase the trade frequency. And the other change I made was to increase the max allowed total drawdown. So by default it was 30, and this is related as well to the lot size calculation method. So you can use a fixed lot or use starting lots, and then you will predefine with how much you want to start. Basically we run just the back test with 0.01, but then if I stick to the default method of max allowed total drawdown and I change it to 50, the EA will automatically calculate with how many lots to start each strategy. And you can see that, for example, strategy 1 starts with 0.03, strategy 2 with 0.06, strategy 3 is with 0.05, and so on. And this is because the vendor developed the EA so the strategies are balanced, meaning each one running at a specific lot size. So for example, strategy 1 trades on the daily candles and it will execute around 3 trades per month, while strategy 7, for example, trades on H1 and it does more trades. Also, the vendor suggested that strategy 9 is very risky and he's not trading it, so I'm definitely not trading it as well. And you can see that with the moderate trade frequency, the last 2 are just disabled. If I go to extreme or high risk, then I will include those in the trading, right? And the third method that you can choose to calculate your lots is max risk per strategy. Then you are going for this option, and from here you can decide how much you want to risk per strategy. So basically I am running the default settings with max allowed total drawdown, but I increased it from 30 to 50, and as well based on the vendor's recommendation I switched to moderate trade frequency. What's interesting is that after I placed the expert advisor on the chart, many pending orders were placed on the toolbox, and if I zoom you will see that these pending orders are above the recent highs and below the recent lows. So I have many buy stop orders above this high, above this high as well, and many sell stops below this low and this low. And this is how most gold scalping bots work: to detect the recent highs, the recent lows, place pending orders, and quick trades if the gold breaks these recent lows or recent highs. However, there is something special here and I'll show it to you. Now if I show it the back test, you will see what a balance line we have, and particularly what an equity line we have. It stays really close to the balance line. Really impressive. If I go to the settings, you will see that for the purpose of the video, I wanted to show the back test for the last 1.5 years, nearly 2 years of a back test, and the drawdown, look at that. The equity drawdown relative is 2.27. Very low drawdown. At the beginning it was really hard to believe, and I asked my team to back test the Gold Reaper with all of the strategies and with each strategy separately. And here are the backtest results, so you can see that with all of the strategies trading on $1,000 live account with 0.01, and that's for the last 5 years or 60 months, we have a profit of 4,663 with a max drawdown of 361. And if you look at the strategies, how they back tested separately, you will see a very low drawdown with most of them. So I'm looking at the back test.
Now, to cut that video short, the gold bot, also known as the Gold Reaper, is very profitable, and I've been using it for over a year now, and I've been making a lot of money from it. So if you want to get the gold bot, you can get it on Lux Algo, yeah, and that's, you see the price, $900, but we Nigerians, I know that you can actually afford that $900. So I'll be helping some amount of people to link their accounts to the bots, because I already bought the bot already. I have it. So I'll be helping you to link your accounts. Just DM me and I'll get your account linked up. No stress. Just DM me and I'll get your account linked up. That's all I can say. See, this good bot is going to make huge profit from you. Not just, don't say that because using bots doesn't make you, don't say using bot doesn't make you a trader. It helps you get capital so that at least you can use it to trade the market. Okay, what if you blow your account? So where are you going to get capital from again to start again as trading for yourself? So me, I'm a busy person, and that bot has helped me so much so that I won't miss out from the market. Gold just dumped and lost over 2,000 pips, and the bot caught that dump. So DM me if you're interested, guys. Peace out.